Hey guys, good morning. The other day I made a video of unboxing a US Amps 180C, and I told you I had some order some 12s to go along with my new system. And let's go ahead and unbox one of these 12s now and check them out. I haven't seen them in person yet, so this will be a first for me and maybe some of you. Let's see what we got. I mean, overall the boxing, it's got all the details on it. You know, you get your specs. Right on the box. This doesn't have any damage, so that's a plus. That means that the shipper did pretty good on handling. All right, let's see what we got here. Alright, so we got, again, owner's manual, gives you all your specs about your sub, how to hook it up, all that good stuff. Make sure you guys read that so you know what you're doing as far as your ohm loads. Good protection there. Yeah, these are heavy. Alright, put the box out of the way. Alright. Nice other little feature is desiccant packs to keep your moisture out. Alright, there's your sub. Here's the front. There we go. Motor. Pretty good sized motor on here. Of course, these are dual 4s. I don't think they offer anything other than dual 4s at the moment. Terminals, push style. Good spring retention. I'll take this down so you guys can look at the motor and stuff. I think it's accessible. There's your motor right there. Nice tall foam for plenty of travel. Nice terminals. I'm just going to close that back. And see if we get a better. There we go. Overall, I would say overall quality is really great. I mean, it's up there with the best of them. Of course, you got your stitching in the sub itself. Super tight. I mean, I'm pushing pretty hard, and I was told these take a little while to break in. So, yeah, that's pretty much the unboxing of this Boom 12 by US Amps. Reach out to me or US Amps, and if you have any questions. All right, thank you.